Hello, my name is Evan Webb, and this is my 6.07 project submission presentation. So for this, I actually had to um, make a YouTube video on the screen at the school to basically kind of project what I did because my laptop here will not allow me to do so, and then I can't use audio at the school computer. So this is my only option really to do this video. So I'm going to do the best I can to kind of explain what I did for my restaurant webpage. So the first thing that I did, as I'm going to start the video, the original video I did. So at the top there, you see four tabs. We got an about tab, a reservation, a menu, and a staff tab. Um, each of those will link to those specific pages on the web page. As you see right there, I have a welcome title heading there. And then as I pause right here, I ended up putting kind of a little extra header on there to kind of, you know, tell basically what my, the restaurant is about. So um, show you there that kind of show you that little heading right here we have. It's kind of blown up. That's not really what it looks like exactly. That looked really, really blown up on the screen, but on the normal web page, it's if you actually like preview the real web page, it's not as big as that. And then like when you shrink it to like a mobile size, it's not as big as that either. It just kind of looks blown up on the YouTube video. As you see right here, I have a navigation bar. So basically, what I'm kind of going for here is, as you'll see in a minute, I think I'm going to show a preview here. Yeah, so I'm going to preview it on the Google Chrome, and um, once I go down after I show these tabs, it'll go back down to where we were and see right there the navigation bar. If you, yeah, you can type in the name and then you can type in a number, and then there's a submit button at the bottom of that. And essentially, what that's supposed to do is it's supposed to link you to, um, and basically link you to reserve something. It looked like when I clicked it there, it said no page found, but it is technically supposed to link you to that. You see there, I have some basically the times of when it opens, the contact information, the address, where it's at, and then there at the bottom, I have a map, which was required, and it will link to Google. The address that I typed in there will link to Google. So that link worked pretty well. Um, so that was a requirement for this project. So I have the link at the very bottom of my page there. It directs you to basically that's my house. I didn't use a real address for the restaurant, so that's just my house there. But uh, yeah, it will take you to a link as well. So there's kind of what I got. And then right here, I'm going to show you, as I did in the video, basically kind of um, the different sizes for, the bootstrap sizes and whatnot. The media queries of, how to, put it at an iPad size, a mobile iPhone size. As you see, I'm kind of previewing the different sizes here to show you that I do have that. And as you see that picture, and again, there's supposed to be, maybe I didn't end up showing the slideshow of the pictures, but there's three different pictures that will slideshow through where that picture of the food is. It's essentially supposed to slideshow through. I'm noticing that it didn't do that. Maybe it's supposed to arrow across as I'm showing you kind of my coding here. But yeah, this is kind of the mobile size, what that would look like. And if I go back, it did actually look like that the picture fit on there pretty well. As I was shrinking it down, the picture looked a lot better and kind of seemed to fit the page a little bit more. There at the very maximum, it kind of seemed like it was blown up a little bit. But other than that, yeah, this is what I got, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's. So thank you very much.